today on how it's made. Chess sets. Chess is a recreational and competitive strategy board game dating back to the 15th century, with some of its predecessors dating back nearly 900 years earlier from Indian and Persian origin. Chess involves each player controlling 8 pawns, 2 bishops, 2 knights, 2 rooks, a queen, and a king, for a total of 32 pieces played on an 8x8 grid. The objective of each player is to checkmate the other player's king. The pawn is the most frequent piece of chess, and allows players to advance a single square. Having only simple capabilities, the pawn is also the most straightforward piece to manufacture. The manufacturing process begins on a computer, where an engineer designs the pieces using computer-aided design and programs how they will be manufactured using computer-aided manufacturing. Once parts are designed and programmed, the turning process is simulated to check the program. First, aluminum round stock is loaded into a CNC lathe. The operator uses a preset guide to ensure the correct length is protruding from the lathe jaws, ensuring minimal waste or no damage occurs to the tools. A small amount of material is left during the part-off process in order to prevent the pawn from falling into the machine and causing damage on its surface. The operator must break off each piece by bending it back and forth, leaving a small amount of material left on the bottom of the piece, known as the pip. The rough pawn piece is then taken and loaded into a vertical CNC milling machine, where it is loaded into a vise and secured. The operator must again select the correct program and run the machine to remove the small amount of material and drill 2 holes in the base of each piece for additional processing. Following the production of the pawns, the rook, queen, and king are additional pieces that all require more complex processes to complete. To produce these pieces, a CNC lathe with live tooling capabilities will be used to aid the cutting of complex features. Computer-aided manufacturing is used to program and simulate how the parts will be machined. The parts are then turned to rough shape before having their complex features machined using live tooling. After machining, parts are removed from the stock and taken to the vertical machining center, where the excess material is removed from their base. Bishop and knights start off as rough-turned blanks, which require an additional step in operation. The blanks are first produced on a CNC lathe, similar to the previous operations. The bishop requires a slitting operation to create the mouth feature. Computer-aided manufacturing is once again used before any parts are cut. To finish the bishop, it is held in a vise on a vertical machining center, where a slitting saw passes through the part to create the mouth of the bishop. The vise jaws are 3D printed to hold the bishop securely at the desired angle and location. In order to machine the complex features of the knight, a 4th axis is used on the CNC machine to orient the part while it is machined. When all the pieces have been completed, they are packaged and sent for anodization, which will give the pieces their color and give them a hardware-resistant surface. To complement the high-quality pieces, leather boards are laser engraved and dyed to a complete set. Chess, as a game, has been enjoyed for centuries, with millions of players to this day. With the massive popularity of chess and hordes of cheap sets available, this set hosts a crushing competition. Checkmate.